Do you love shrimp fra Diavolo? I do. Who doesn't? That's what we're making. As you can see, that's what we made. Do you want to see how to make it? Stay tuned. Shrimp fra Diavolo. What is it? Pause for 1 second. Yes, I know it's shrimp Diavolo, not Daviolo, but I've been saying it this funny way for so long, I didn't even hear myself saying it when I did it. It's just one of those goofy things I've been doing for years, so I apologize. Don't hate me. It literally translates into brother devil. Don't ask me how I know that. Anyways, more information than you needed. This is fantastic. It is shrimp. It is spicy. It is tomatoes. It is onions and garlic and a little bit of wine and a little bit of oregano. And basically that's about it. If you want to make an arrabbiata, you add basil to it and use sauce instead of whole tomatoes, or these are diced. But basically it's the same. It's just what you put on it. Now it's just me. Why do I keep saying we? It's like I sound more important when I say we. It's weird. Me and Bob. Anyways, getting off on a thing again. Normally, this is made with a long pasta. You're going to do this with a little linguine, a fettuccine, a bocatini, something like that. I did it with cheese ravioli because why not? I have cheese ravioli. And I've been looking for a reason to use it. I'm going to stop looking down at this, but it's so delicious I want to eat it. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to make this right now. So let's get started. Let's get started with a 12-inch skillet here, the frying pan that is over a medium-high heat. The oil is heated up. We're going to add our shrimp. It's been seasoned with a little bit of salt and a little bit of red pepper flake, about a teaspoon of that already tossed around. We're not looking to fully cook this. We're only going to cook it, about half to 2/3 of the way through. Normally you'd cook shrimp about 3 minutes or so, something like that. We're looking for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes tops. We're just wait until it gets just ever so slightly pink, but still has some translucentness to it. It's because we're going to finish cooking it in the sauce, and if you cook it all the way now, you're gonna kill it and make it horrible. So when it's just right, let's put it in a bowl, let's get it off the side, stop the cooking. The reason we stop really, really early is because it will keep cooking a little bit as it sits, so we don't want to overcook the shrimp. That is important. All right, same skillet. We have not wiped it out because we're building layers of flavor. So add about 2 more tablespoons of oil. Let that heat up here and put in the onion. We've lowered the heat down to medium. There's about a cup of medium to small diced onion. And we're not looking to caramelize this. We're just looking to make it softened and a little bit translucent. We're going to add another teaspoon of red pepper flake. This will season the oil because the pepper flakes will do wonderful things when they're cooked in the oil and they heat it up and all the juicy wonderfulness comes out of them. All right, 5 cloves of garlic now go in. Yes, 5 cloves of garlic chopped up fairly small. And make sure you get all of it. Even if it doesn't want to come, get it all out of there. All right, you don't put it in with the onion to start with because you don't want to burn the garlic. Burnt garlic tastes terrible. Cooked garlic tastes wonderful. There's a difference. All right, some oregano, some black pepper. The exact measurements are in the recipe down below, but we're going to cook this down just a little bit, get the flavors and everything going. All right, tomato paste. This is important. We need about a tablespoon of tomato paste to help thicken this and bring this together. We put this in now because we want to cook it. It sounds weird if you're not familiar with this process. You really want to roast the tomato paste. So we mix it really, really well with the onions. It picks up all the flavor of the red pepper flakes and all that. And when it cooks against the pan, it does a wonderful thing and brings out incredible flavors and a thickness and a richness that you're not going to get if you skip this step or screw this up. This is where all the flavor and texture and everything is built. So make sure you do this just right. Cook this off until it's basically really, really cooked. All right, we have a half a cup of wine, white wine going in there, and we're gonna cook this down until it thickens a little bit, but we're trying to cook off the alcohol basically. It's gonna add wonderful flavor, but it's a little bit thick at this point. We've cooked it down for maybe a couple minutes, and you can see as you push the spatula through, it leaves clean lines behind. That's how you know you got it just about right. Perfect. Now, time to add our diced tomatoes. This is a 15-ounce can of tomatoes. This is my favorite tomatoes, the Muir Glen organic fire roasted diced tomatoes. I'm not sponsored, anything like that. I have, they don't even know I exist. I've just had a lot of experience trying a lot of different tomatoes, and those are some pretty good tomatoes. All right, now that we've made our sauce and it's had a chance to sit, it's just gonna throw the shrimp back in. We're gonna heat it back up. It's going to give off its flavors, pick up the other flavors, everything melds together, makes a beautiful cohesive dish. And that's basically about it. Make sure you kind of mix everything together as best you can. Now the last thing you're gonna put in right now is some fresh parsley that you've chopped up. This is Italian flat leaf parsley. Adds a nice fresh pepperiness to the dish. And that's basically about it. That's all there is to the thing here. And there you go. Put a lid on it and let's eat. As you can see, it's sitting here, still sitting here. I have to know how good this is, how it turned out. I have not tasted this yet. I'm still looking down at this. I'm sorry, but I'm going for a shrimp. Yep. I love this meal. It's spicy. That red pepper flake, man. Woo! That'll clean your sinuses up. It's fantastic. But the flavors on it is beautiful. The garlic, the wine, everything in there is incredibly well balanced. It's delicious. Those fire roasted tomatoes are incredible. And the trick is don't overcook the shrimp. You saw me do the par cooking thing where you just quickly do it and then you finish it. Kind of important. The order that you do everything is important. Everything about this technique, it's technique. So that's the secret. You can read a recipe, but no one ever teaches you technique until now. So now you know how to make shrimp fra Diavolo. And I don't know why you're not making it already. Go get this stuff and enjoy, because I'm about to. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave comments, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye. Today, I don't know what time you're watching this. How would I have any idea? You're in control of that, not me. That sounds dumb. Never mind. I'll just wait till the dryer stops singing the sound of its people, the song of its people. There you go. I didn't know dryers had people, but apparently they have a song. All right, here we go. Try that. Take 3.